Chisime cannot give you food. Are you high? No, Smologa. Are you high on something? No, Smologa. Now go inside there and get me my own food now! Smologa, your mother could vex for me if I do what Chisime can go do. Mbok, don't let me miss my job. I beg. Will you get out and get my food? I said get my food! Go inside!
Better get prepared to face Mom when she returns. Kelvin, better get prepared to face Mom when she returns.
Whatever.
Just calm down and eat your food.
Madam, welcome.
How are you?
This one that madam is walking like somebody who had miscarriage. Eh? She's walking like somebody who had miscarriage. Or somebody who went to the hospital and doctor told her that your sensitive part has been taken off by beating from your husband, the panebita. Don't cry. Madam, don't cry. Madam, don't cry. Madam, don't cry. Madam, don't cry. That's the new song I'll compose for you. Don't cry. It's the title of the song. Don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, 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 cry. Don't cry.
Welcome, Mom. Welcome, Mom.
Thank you. I can see you enjoying yourselves.
Yes, Mom.
That's nice. Kelvin, what are you doing here? I thought I warned nobody should give him food.
girl.
Amen! Mom! Let her be. It's not her fault.
How do you mean?
Kelvin actually compelled her to give him the food.
What? Kelvin? You flunked my order. How dare you?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine, girl?
No matter what happens, I will never spend a dime on him or his children. He has to perform his duties as the man of the house. Period.
Did you hear that?
Yes. It's coming from here. Let's go.
What are you supposed to be doing now?
Small locker. Housework.
So what are you doing here?
Small madam. See, too many things. Kata everywhere. It just scatter my head. So I say make I come here, I come cool off until everything lie low. Then I could go back inside.
Keep quiet! Are you drunk?
No, small locker.
I can see something is wrong with your head. Now get inside and do what you're supposed to be doing.
Just small locker.
Get in!
Idiot. Stupid girl.
Leave her.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
So this is where you are?
I'm sorry. Small madam, please forgive me. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okoro or whatever your name is. I see you don't value this job.
Sir, I value this job like I value my life. Why will I not value? Please, sir, forgive me. It will not happen again.
Godwin, let's pardon him.
Thank you. Thank you, small man.
Now listen to me. This is going to be the very last time this will happen. If it happens again, I will not be this lenient with you. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Nonsense.
Look at this nonsense girl. This Calabar girl. You want to put me in trouble? Look, let me tell you. This will be the first and the last time you put me in trouble. You want to sack me? Look at your daughter calling me shut up, idiot. Look at that girl. I know I'm older than that girl. But see the way she's talking to me. Let me not talk because I'm serving her father. What is it?
You get waiting at the think.
Thinker. You get what you think? Thinker. Yeah? Thinker Kropan. In fact, you're in here thinker Kropan. You always think. I don't even know why you like thinking. Every time you be thinking. I am sure your mother who gave birth to you. Think. She thought plenty things while giving birth to you. She thought she was going to die giving birth to you.
Okoro.
That is why you came out thinking. Every small thing you would think.
Wait, make I talk with you. I won't talk now.
Okay, now tell me what is the latest thinking now? Which one is the latest fashion of your thinking?
You know what say? Time don't reach we go do something concerning this Madam and Oga quarrel. Eh?
Do what? Look at you. Your name is In fact, they should change your name for you because there is nothing about you. Your name is supposed to be prayer continues. There's no in you. You want to do something, remedy the fight between Oga and Madam. Don't you know that this fight has been before you were employed? This fight, they've been fighting this fight since before you came. And as a matter of fact, this fight will continue until you leave. You want to remedy it. On an ordinary house help like you from Calabar want to remedy Oga and Madam's quarrel. How can you do it? Yeah?
Okoro, this is what they think now. You don't bother me, they vex me. See, I know they sleep. And now today, we go do this thing, make it work. That way everybody don't go to church. And inside this thing what they think, you get part to play inside. But you go first promise me, say, you go help me.
Amen. And I know say you don't get sense. Yes, it is now that I know that you don't have sense. Because if you have sense, common sense should have told you that. How can you ask me to be part of this plan when I don't even know what the plan is? Is it not somebody who knows something that will say, okay, this is this or this is that? You want me to go and be part of what I don't know? Tell me what that thing is first.
The reason I won't tell you now, but make you first tell me say, amen. I go help you. I go tell you.
Okay now, let me assume. Not like I have accepted though. Assumption. Let me assume that. I'll be. An assumption though. Okay, I assume that I will. But before then, let me warn you. Let me warn you serious. In fact, look, let me advise you. In fact, this is not an advice. This is a warning that I'm giving to you now. These plans or whatever that you have, you want to associate me, you want to involve me in, make sure that this plan is not risky. This agenda that you have, that you want me to be part of, make sure it is not risky. Because you know very, very well that in this country that we are, things are not easy. To find a job here in Nigeria is not easy. Even graduates who graduated from University of Engineering University, who studied human nutrition, or the whole nutritions. Those who studied and those who studied those who studied in the university, they came out, they don't have job to do. This small work that I managed to get, I don't want anything that will destroy it for me. I don't want any man or woman that will bring anything that will spoil my job. Because this job is the source of my income. From this job, I put food on my table. Even from this job, I am planning that if I gather enough money, I will use it and come to Calabar and pay your bride price. So if you know, having known all these things, if you know that this thing, this plan you have, is going to destroy my job and render me useless, don't say it. But if you know it is not going to, then say it, let me hear.
Come, make I tell you.
Yeah?
Come now.
Yeah, go. Now I know that, in fact, you don't have sense. There is nothing was a mistake. That they called the was a mistake. Your name is not supposed to be Your name is supposed to be prayer continuous. Because there is nothing about you. You want me to indulge in this your act, in this your plan. To go and do it is not going to work for you. Yes, it is not going to work for you. Look at you. You came all the way from I don't even know if you know your way to this. You are a disgrace to Calabar. You are a disgrace to Calabar. Look at what you're saying. You want me to come and do this thing with you. I will not do it. Hence, you have connived with your spiritual world people to come and remove this work from me. Give it to another person. And my source of eating and the plans to come and marry you will die. It will not work for you. Yes, it will not work for you, Mba, not Menegawa. Menegawa is your name.
See, Okoro, anything where you want think. Anything where you want talk. As for me, I don't make up my mind since. I just the way I go discuss them with you. Eh? Even if this thing will make me lose my job, I no mind. I just want to make peace for this house.
Do you have your senses with you at all? I'm very sure that your senses has left the rightful position and come to another position. For you to open your mouth to say that you don't mind, you don't care if you lose this job. You want to go back to Calabar empty-handed. I don't even know the Calabar that you don't even know the road. Do you know the road to your father's house? Because you were born in Uturu Okigwe. That was where you grew up, in Uturu Okigwe. So you don't know the road to your father's compound in Calabar. You want to go back there empty-handed. Don't you have sense? You don't know that as it is, having grown in Uturu, that some of the Calabar people don't know you. You're supposed to, when you're going back to Calabar, you go back as a big girl. So that when Calabar people see you, they will say, Uturu, they will say yes, which means in English that you went and you conquered and you came back. That is Afrutum, Afronyong, Afrupo. You don't know? Look at you. I wish you know the meaning of this thing that I spoke now in Calabar. Aturupo, Aturufon, Aturuyo. You go, you come, you conquer. You want to go back to that place empty-handed without 1 naira. Don't you know that they are going to laugh you? Anyway, no problem. You have made up your mind. You want to go back to Calabar without 1 naira. As for me, Okoro Ejinkonye, I will not leave this place until I make the whole money that I want to make. In fact, if you go back to Calabar, like I said, I want to come and pay your bride price. If you go back to Calabar and I didn't find you to pay bride price, I'll look for another Calabar girl because I have love for Calabar people. They can. You understand? They can cook. They even know how to fry garri. They can fry garri very, very well. Come, who do you remember this banana? Utom, you remember for Utom? Ntinga, come here also. Who isn't? Come here also. Ntinga, who is Ntinga? You ate banana and left the half. I asked you, said you left it for Utom. When did Madam employ Utom? Oh, Madam has employed another person, Utom, that I didn't know of. Who is Utom? Male or female? This girl could be right though. This their quarrel is too much. Somebody has got to settle them. But Oga won't me. Oga won't me.
In this house, you are not expected to steal, fight, or even do anything that will tarnish your image and the image of this family. Furthermore, you are expected to respect all my children. To the last born of this house, Stacy. Yeah. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have heard all the things you said. So that one is not a problem. Like I said before, we came into this place. So I told you how strengthful I am, when it comes to security work, gateman work. I'm tested and trusted. So as a matter of fact, where have I not worked? Even the last place I worked, the man is still calling me on phone to come back. But I told him that, no, I don't want to come back. Let me expand, let me, extend my security ability to all those people, other people who need it. Sir, one of the reasons I said I don't want to go back there and work was, the way when I killed 7 armed robbers. Sir, I killed 7 armed robbers with 1 bullet. Can you imagine that? So, as a matter of fact, I shot the first armed robber. He fell and he died. So the other armed robber was trying to be angry that why did I kill? Wow, the bullet left and killed that other one. So the other one saw that 2 are down already, wanted to fly the fence. The bullet left the other one, wow, and killed that one. That one came down and died. So when the other one was looking like this, that hey, my brother is dead. The blood that came from the other one's mouth went wow on his eyes and blinded him. That one could not breathe again and he died. So that was how all of them died, one way or the other, So I said, no, let me extend my ability, my security strength to other people who need it. So that is why I don't want to go back to this thing. But sir, to tell you the truth, I'm a very tested and trusted person. You see, my services, my security services is what you cannot measure. So I will protect you, protect your family. Anytime you want to sleep, sleep with your 2 eyes closed. You understand? Because I'm going to, my services on delivery, you will like it. I will deliver. I will even deliver more than all these courier services. Anyone that you can think of, I can deliver properly. You understand? That is to tell you how powerful I am. So I don't have a problem. My jeans is going down. Let me just look at this. This is fantastic, sir.
Hey.
Remind me that your name again.
Oh, my name. Okay, my name is, I have plenty names, sir, but let me just give you a few. My name is Chief Dr. Habalis, Native Doctor, Professor Reverend Sister Okoro Ejinkonye. Sir, Okoro is my name. Ejinkonye is my name. Ejinkonye means, in English, it means, who am I holding his own? Sir, as a matter of fact, that name, it was a name. According to my father, he said my grandfather, that time when he was young, he was accused of taking something that belongs to another person. So then I said, they gathered, all the villagers gathered. They said they are going to, so they summoned him. So my grandfather now said, in a crowd in a loud voice, that Ejimkonye o, Ejimkonye o, so when he shouted that Ejimkonye o, people started calling him Ejimkonye. So he gave birth to my father and called my father Ejimkonye. Then my father now manufactured me and then gave me the name Ejimkonye. So if I produce now, I'll call my child, or my child is my children's. my children, I'll call them all Ejimkonye. So it's a good name.
All these names for you. So what exactly should you call you?
What exactly should you call me? Like back then in where I came from, I mean in my village, my colleagues, my friends, some of them used to call me a G's. That's a G's. A G's is abbreviation from Ejinkonye. They call me a G's. A G's or Oko. Call me a G's. They call me Oko. Then some people call me Oko. That is Oko. Oko means it's abbreviation from Okoro. So they say Oko. And there's a way they call it. If they want to call it, they call it with a fizzy. Oko. Oko. So okay, they got it from one of this who came from America. The guy who came from America, so one of our village guy is an engineer, in Animal Kingdom, So he came back from America. So they told him this is Okoro. Imagine, so he said, Oko, so Oko. So all my villagers now they started calling me Oko,
All these names for you.
Sister, this one is even smaller. If I enter my dictionary name, that is my diary, where my names are. If I begin to mention,
are you well at all?
Sir, I used to have malaria, but now I'm okay.
Godwin.
Yes, Dad.
Take him to the boys' quarters where he will be staying.
Okay, sir, his name is Godwin. That's nice. I can see it was really warm. This one is not right, sir. Godwin. Sir, at least can you tell me the names of this one so that in case I want to, tell them something, I know how to.
Don't worry, I'll tell you your name.
There's a man in my village. He's a taxi driver. His name is Godwin. So we used to call him not to win. I got it.
Let's go.
I got it. Sir, God bless you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Where did
you get this guy from?
Excellent.
He's so funny.
They were such a happy family together. I wonder the devil that came into this place to set them apart. The devil must not continue to have his way in this family. See, in fact, I know what I will do. I will have to support Amy. Let's bring back the happiness I first saw when I came to this place. That's what I will do.
Small welcome.
How are you?
Are you fine? Small madam, welcome.
How are you?
Are you fine? Madam, welcome.
How are you?
Are they fine?
I hope lunch is ready because my children are starving.
Madam, I don't finish taking food already.
Good. Then serve it at once.
Okay, madam. Welcome.
Thank you. funeral, all of them, they sleep. And they're not going to wake up till after 4 hours. Yes.
So, what are you saying in essence? What should we do?
Beating again. I just want to enter inside, go lock everywhere.
We should enter inside and lock everywhere.
Yes.
What do we do now that even we are inspired? What's up?
Nothing this up. Just calm down, eh? See me. Everything happen for you. They're under my control. I control everything.
You are the controller. That is the controller of
this house. But yeah, they control. Don't carry me to another place. They have one thing.
Okay, I thought you are the controller general of custom.
I know Sabi that one. Yeah, this one. I know my Irish girl. Go transfer me.
Shh. Shh. This is over 3 hours and these people are not awake. Are you sure these people are not dead? Yes, I'm afraid.
Okay, I could do that kind of thing.
Okay, let me ask you. The milligram, did they say you put at the doctor? That man, the native, the herbal, the man, in fact, the man who is responsible. How many milligram did he ask you to put in each of them's food?
I don't remember, but I put 10.
You did what? You put 10?
I put 10.
For each person? You have killed somebody. In fact, you have killed a family. In fact, you have killed the entire house. I'm telling you, look, these people are dead. There's no gainsaying that these people are not dead. They are dead. What is going to happen now is I will leave this place with immediate effect. Because I'm sure that these people are dead. Very soon, police will come to this place to arrest you and I. So by the time I run away, they will not see me to arrest. They will arrest you. You've killed people.
We won't call police. What do you do? Their phone. They won't call.
Okay, we hold their phones. Do we have their intercom?
No fuck. I block her.
Their voicemail, uncle. Remove their voicemail.
Do everything.
Mom, what's doing? Dad, Stacy, Kelvin. Mom, what happened to us?
I don't know, my daughter. All I can remember is that we were here eating and
Call my name there and I'll pounce on you now. Stupid woman.
take it easy. Take it easy. Let's go to this.
Nelson! Did you just call me this? Useless man. It's only me I am right now. Come on, find me, Nelson! Come on, come on, find me! Yes.
Mom, it's okay.
Come on, find me, Nelson!
No, G.
Come on, find me! What means to me?
Get your hand off my shirt!
I will not!
Before you can operate.
Nelson! Do your worst! Go and see them. Do your worst, Nelson! Do your worst! Mom! Do your worst!
Mom!
What?
Dad, we are all locked up in this house. Everywhere is locked.
What?
There's no exit anywhere.
Hey! Nelson! I know you are the one that locked the doors. Can I have the key now? Let me have the key, Nelson! Mom!
What's she talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
It couldn't have been that who locked the doors. Have you forgotten we are all in this together?
Mom, Dad, she's right. I'm suspecting him now. I'm sure she has a hand in this. Where is she? Where is she?
Wait a minute. That's the point there. Amen! Madam, are they here? Make una dey fight, madam. Make una dey fight. Because see that door, this door then, we no go open them until una decide say una won't get joy.
What? What nonsense? Godwin!
Yes, Dad.
Take my phone and call the police and get them arrested immediately.
Yes. There, Oga, there.
What do you mean, Nemo?
We hold on our phones. All of them see them for you.
Hey! What? Jesus.
Make you come and see your pocket.
I got your phone name. Let me check from the refinery. What is the name of your phone? It's here.
Jesus. Amen! Amen! Or whatever they call you, I swear, I will kill you! I will kill you! I don't see my phone!
Oh, my phone!
Hey!
You still have to get my phone. Imagine.
Amen! Before the count of 10, you've opened this door.
Now! One! Madam, I get respect for you. But sorry, this door, I no go open am. Until I decide say, I won't get peace. If I no settle, we no go open this door. Yes.
Oga. Oga, see, let me tell you. Please, there's no point. Because MM and I, we have agreed that we will not open this door. We have the keys. We will not open it. Until you people agree to make peace. The same peace we met when we came to this place.
Yes.
It is the same peace we want to see. So if you people make up your mind to settle, then we'll open the place. Is that not so? Yeah, if you like, so call police, call army, call everybody. We will not open until we see that peace. So Oga, let there be peace.
Peace.
Peace. Perfect
peace.
Peace. Perfect peace.
Peace.
Not please, it's peace.
Peace.
Say peace.
Peace.
Oga, peace. say Oga peace.
Oga peace.
It's
It's
what we need.
what we need.
It's what we need.
It's what we need.
Confirm.
Honey, my husband. Please, I'm deeply sorry for disrespecting you. I'm sorry for all the pains I've put you through. I don't know what came over me. I allowed pride to overshadow me. I never knew that my being promoted in the office would push me this far. My children. Especially to you, Kelvin. I'm sorry for all the ill treatment. Please, sorry, my son. Please forgive me.
No, you don't need to go on your own.
Godwin.
Yes, Mom.
Apologize to your father.
Dad, I'm very sorry for everything. I know I've disrespected you as your first son.
Come on, Godwin. You're my son. My first son, for that matter. I'm forgiving you.
Thank you, Dad.
Eh?
It's okay, it's okay.
Dad, I'm sorry too.
Oh my dear, you're welcome.
Okay, Dad.
I've forgiven each and every one of you. Huh? My dear wife.
Yes, honey.
Well, that belongs to the past. Thank God now you realize your mistake. Huh? And also, thanks to MM and Okoro who subjected us to this house arrest. I forgive you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And by the way, where are they? MM. MM. Amen. Please come over.
Oga,
Madam, we know say now go be the next thing. So don't arrange our things. Keep them for our side. Yeah? But before we go, we dey sorry. For everything we don't do. See, now peace and we see that we talk that I would answer. Ak something.
Not Akra. Is Akrimoni. That's Akrimoni. Akrimoni.
Now that's thing I will want. Mama get for this place. So then make we do it to do. Oh. Sorry. It's okay. You've done nothing wrong.
Exactly, amen. You did nothing wrong. In fact, you two are forgiven. And nobody is sucking you. As a matter of fact, you will be greatly rewarded for this act of godliness.
I know send if you go comes to my head, if I go give up all I can to make it things right, I'll do the things I can to set things right. If I go give up all I can to make it things right, I'll do the things I can to set things right. I go do try. If not to fight, I go fight to make things right. If not to cry, I go cry to appeal to your heart. I will do anything for love. I know send if you go comes to my head. If I go give up all I can to make it things right, I'll do the things I can to set things right. If I go give up all I can to make it things right, I'll do the things I can to set it things right. Oh, I go do try. Oh, I go do try.